Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to track visitors, sales and even conversions, Google Analytics is more than essential. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually connect to Shopify to Google Analytics in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, the usual stuff, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, open your favorite browser and let's go. First, we're gonna go and look for GA4. GA4. So we can access the Google Analytics GA4. Basically, it's a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing user interactions on your website or even app. So go all the way to basically Google Analytics here, or even go and check this GA4. It's basically a small guide to Google Analytics from ga4.com. So basically here you are, there's your account, you can go ahead and create your account, but for you guys, you will be able to see your measurement ID. Copy it, it's basically start with a G, then go all the way to Shopify. Now, okay, we're gonna go back to shopify.com. So we can actually go through the settings and look for any customer events. Customer events, it's here, under domains, go all the way through it, then go and look on Analytics. After this, add Google Analytics by pasting the measurement ID into the Google Analytics section. Then enable enhanced e-commerce, make sure e-commerce tracking is fully enabled. Basically, all you're gonna do now is save the changes and test the tracking by visiting your store and check the real-time data in GA. As you see here, they're gonna tell you that Shopify can now constantly analyze your store to only allow marketing app pixels to access required data, optimize data access, is the recommended default, and will take effect soon unless you switch to always on. So basically all of these settings depends on you. You can also ask this AI for any other help. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.